light more precious than stories told. Mountains rise where leaves cascade, and autumn's glow, no shadows fade. Whispers dance to crisp, cool air, and nature's palette beyond compare. Every leaf a touch of grace in this perfect, timeless place. Golden peaks in autumn's light, aspen's beauty shining bright. Through the trees the winds will speak whispers of love